Hey everybody, it's your boy DIY in the Ghetto. I thought I'd get you a new video on the PC desktop build. Main desktop is not up to the par anymore, as they would say. I cannot do my 3D renderings because the updates to the latest software is definitely making my system bottled up, as they would say. The video card I have on there currently is a GTX 1030, and I believe that is the 2 gig version. It's not. It's an old system that has 8 gigs of memory and 250 gig SSD on there. Not an M.2, but a SATA SSD. So I wanted to build my new desktop, and well, here's most of the parts. I'm waiting for a few more things coming in, such as the hard drive, the couple of mounts I'm waiting for, to a PCIe to M.2 adapter I'm waiting for a second drive. That's if I can make sure that this motherboard, as I was talking about in the previous video, will let me do a second drive off of the 1X slot. I'm not sure yet. We're still going to have to test that out when time comes. So on the right here, we got the Lian Li 205M mesh case. The M, I guess, is mini ITX or micro ITX. I'm not sure yet. I forgot what it states on the box. We're rocking with the GTX 1650 video card, which is more than enough for what I needed to do for all my renderings. The load times will probably be way better than what I'm doing now. It takes anywhere from 10 to 18 minutes for loading time with this new video card. It could probably knock it down to about a minute or two. I'm not sure yet. We're going to have to test that out as time comes. We're also got the ASRock A320M-HDV motherboard. And hopefully, I'm hoping everything goes smooth with the CPU up there. This is the Ryzen 5 5500. This is the 8-core, I believe it's the 6-core. 6-core 12 thread. If I'm not mistaken, hold on one second. Let's check that out because I don't remember. Yes, 6-core 12 thread processor, which is going to be awesome for what I needed to do. And my old machine only has a 2-core 4-thread processor on it. So this is 3 times the size processor than my old one. We'll also have the Lian Li ST120 RGB fan kit. We're going to put that into the case. Even though it has 2 fans in there, I cannot wire the RGB up because the connectors on are JST connectors. And I have to get a different type of connector so I can put it in with this one. I'm going to probably have to make something because from what I found out, there is another controller, RGB fan controller, that will work for the case. Well, I want to tie them all into one, so I'm going to end up making something, which I know how to do. At the bottom there, we got the Seasonic M12. That's Seasonic M12 fan. This is an 80 plus. I'm not sure if it's gold, platinum, or anything, but it is a Seasonic. It should be good. It's a 700 watt power supply. And for memory, we got the 16 gigabyte G.Skill Ripjaw kit, which is, I believe, this is the 3200 megahertz kit, the CL16, if I'm not mistaken. That should do way more than what I have because I currently only have 6 gigabytes of memory on my machine. It will not go to 8 gigs for some odd reason for my current desktop. I'm not sure why. Every time I put in 8 gigs, the last stick, even though they're all the same speed, same memory, same everything, it does not. That motherboard does not want to handle past 6 gigabytes for some reason, or a 4th stick of memory. So I'll receive my last 2 parts: the hard drive that I want to use in here, as well as a backup drive, and I got another upcoming video That will be my last video for the year. I want to build my NAS system. I started building one. I showed it in one of the previous videos. I'm not going to end up using all that as my NAS system. I have a little secret weapon that's going to come up very soon in the next video for that for my NAS system. I guess that's pretty much it. I think we're all good to go. And hopefully it'll be a good one. Take care, everybody. Have a good one. Stay tuned for the next one. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up for a like, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, check out some of the previous videos of my terrible editing skills. If you like this video, oh man, what am I saying? If you like this video,